welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you something very amazing. My name is Edosa Aigabai, and you are on to Dosa Height Digitals. Now, there are a lot of you that are into influencing. Some are brand influencers, and they have a lot of, some are thought leaders. They have a lot of information that I want to share out with a lot of people. And there's a need for them or for you to design your ebook. So most times people don't really know how to design their ebook cover. So in this particular tutorial, I want to show you how the best way you can quickly create an ebook cover for free without having to consult a graphic designer or a creative to actually get that done for you. So very quickly, let's head straight to Canva mobile app. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my tutorials. So if you don't know how to use Canva, you can head back to my very first video, which is how to use Canva, exploring Canva. It will show you what you can do to actually help you navigate your way very quickly and very, very fast. So let's go straight into our Canva mobile app right now. So I'm going to press the plus button. Then I'm going to change the page dimension to an ebook dimension. Then I'm going to change this width to 800. All right. Then I'll change the height. I'll leave the height at the same particular pixel. Then I'll check it. Then the very quick thing, which is the first thing I'll do in order to help me achieve what I want to achieve, is that I'm going to click on this particular background here. Then I'll type on image, and I'm going to type Rubik's Cube. The title of the ebook cover I want to create is titled Mind Game. So Rubik's Cube, but in this particular case, I'm going to use a die. Now I'm using this red die. All right. So I'm going to adjust it so that it's going to be 5 and 3. I want these 3 numbers to be showing. Now it's not looking so nice like this. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll click on this particular button. That's this one here. All right. Tap on my image. Tap on the image here. All right. Then I'm going to pick again the same picture image. I've picked it now. Then I'm going to put it up here. But this time around, if you look at it, it's looking as if something is actually there. Then I'm going to reduce the what is it called now? The transparency. I'll reduce it so that it will be faint a little to actually review the other images. But this particular way is not looking so nice. But the next thing I'll do, in order for it to be looking a lot nicer, is that I'm going to put it here, up here, okay? But I think I'm going to adjust this one, adjust it, okay? Then the next thing is I'm putting it up, then I'll reduce the size, all right? Reduce the size a little, then bring it down. I think we're good like this. We're good like this, but it's not looking a little bit catchy like we should. So let me take it back to, this 5, this and this, okay? I think it's a lot better like this now. Then I'll push this one down. We're good. Then the next thing I'll do is I'm going to add the title of the book, add the text. Then I'm going to write Mind Game. Okay, then click on this particular one, then make it bold. Don't forget. So I've make it bold. Click on this Mind Game. I'm going to change the color so that the color can match what we have. Make it a little bit of dark red. Yes, very good. Then I'm going to change the font so it doesn't look too empty. Let me see this. Let me see if this is going to be good for us. This is not really cool. So let me search for fonts that can actually match. Let me use Ilarion. Ilarion Heavy is going to work. Okay, now we have it that way. Then this is what we have, Mind Game. Now, in order for it to be looking a lot more catchy and a lot more captivating to the eyes, I'm going to add a particular illustration. I'm going to add a shape to it. Then the shape I want to add is this particular shape. All right, this one. Where is it now? I'm going to use this one. Okay, then I'm going to twist and turn, rotate. All right, still rotate again. Okay, then push it in between this, expand it, then we're good with this. This is what we have. Oh, let me go back. Oh, sorry about that. This is what we have. Then I'm going to click on that again. All right, change the color to what we have there, Mind Game. Okay, this is what we have. I think it's looking a little bit better. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to write the name of the author, which is actually me. All right, I'll change this font. Okay, then I'll put Edosa Aigobai. All right, bring it down. Technically, I'm a dark color guy. If it was a dark color now, it would have been a little bit better for me. I would have loved it a little. I would have loved it more. Okay, this is what we have. Then push this up. I think I should take this off. Let me reduce it a little. Let me reduce it even more. Okay, now this is what we have. Mind game. Then let me give it a title, the book caption, which is breaking free from the limitation of the mind. All right, that's what we have. So I'm going to keep expanding. Now I'm going to reduce it, keep reducing. All right, bring it here. We have our caption there, you can see. Make sure you watch this over and over again. Then I'm going to centralize. Okay, very good, and that's what we have. All right, then I'm going to change the font. Okay, let me use Montserrat. Let me see if Montserrat will be good. Classic. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. All right, so this is actually better. Okay, this is good. So this is our ebook cover. The next thing I'm going to do is that, let me just quickly delete this one. I don't want that one, so let me take it off. Okay, this is what we have. Then what next will I do? I think it's not looking centralized. Okay. All right, I think it's better now. The next thing I'll do is I'm going to download, save it. All right, download, save as my image. We have it. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to head straight to my browser and use a free tool. I'm going to use a free tool to actually design the remainder part of this particular project. So I'm going to head straight to Adazion. All right, it's a free tool. Okay, this particular one you can see as remove.bg. You can use this to remove background from your image each time you want to create something new. So I'm going to use Adazin.com. All right, when I click on Adazin.com, what is it showing me? Okay, let me see. Free stuff for authors. Let me see what we have. Free tools. Okay. I'm looking for a particular. Okay, let me just head straight to Google. Let me type it again. I think I did this some time ago. Yeah, adazin.com cover mockups for mobile. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So adazin.com/cover mockups for mobile. So I'm going to choose the best one for me, and the one I'm going to choose is this one. So I'll click on this, which is this. Click on that icon there. I've chosen that. Then I'm going to go down and click on next step. Then after clicking on the next step, what else will happen here is that it's going to load. That's finished loading. So I'm going to enter my name. All right, Edosa. Then the next thing, I'll enter my email address, dosa@digithouse. Then I'm going to download. I'm going to click on choose file. All right, go to my downloads. Okay, I'll click on this. Yeah, all right, click on it. Head straight to my photos. Then I'm going to see my Canva. Then I'm going to click on the mind game. Then I'm going to click finish. It's uploading, and it will render in 3D pattern. Now it has finished rendering. Then I'm going to click download your free mockup. So I'm going to download it. Okay, it has finished downloading. I'm going to extract, sees it. I'll click on download. It's on PNG, downloading file. I think it is done downloading. Let's check it in our downloads tab. Oh, it has finished downloading. So let's head straight to our photos, and we're here in our photos now. All right, and this is what we have. This is our job. You can see the way it is looking like. So I'm going to head straight back to Canva. All right, why am I heading back to Canva? I'm heading back to Canva so that I can make it look very nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press the plus button, press this. Then I'm going to add an image, which is the book I just did. I'll add it here, make it a little bit wide. Okay, this is what we have. Then I'm going to add another. All right, add another one. Okay, make this one small. All right, this is what we have. Mind game. Okay, and we are good. Then the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to, let me just give this background a color, a matching color that can blend with the color of our background. Okay, this color is okay. Then I'm going to click on the render button and we are done. Download, and that's what we have here. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar so that you don't get to miss out on any of my tutorial. Okay, my name is Edosa Aigabai and I'm your digital skills trainer, and my channel is Doza Heights Digitals. This is what we just did, and you can see it's looking very nice.